afternoon, welcome back to our channel. Today we are in South Melbourne, guys, because it's Melbourne Cup Day, so no work, it's public holiday in Melbourne. And we're actually taking Paris to Albert Park Lake, guys, but first we have to get some chips. But yeah, we're just gonna go get South Melbourne chips. Right, here, Mom. What are you having? I ordered a calamari snack pack and sweet potato fries from South Melbourne Fish and Chips. So just letting you know, guys, we actually lived here earlier this year in South Melbourne. It's an amazing place, but you know, we needed a space when we had Paris, so we actually have to move to a bigger place. That's why we went to West Footscray. But yeah, we're really, you know, this place is, we're really used to this place, so I'll show you what I ordered. And yeah, this is the fish and chips. This is the best place. This is my favorite place when we used to live here, guys. So this is what I ordered: the fresh calamari, that back with lemon, and I also asked chicken salt for that, and then sweet potato chips for Mingay. So yeah, Oi, careful! Hey, where have you been? Where did you go, honey? Mama. So it's here now, guys. Delivery Uber Eats. They didn't have any plastic bag, guys, so they just open. Go na, uy, real job. So that's the sweet potato and the calamari and the potato chips is under there. But yeah, let's go to the lake. So we're here now, guys. This is Albert Park Lake. This is Kolongkoi. So Paris straight to it, guys. Ooh. You could already see the ducks quack quack. See now, guys, the sun is up. It's, you know, it looks like it is very warm, but mind you, guys, it's only 16 degrees. But yeah, at least the sun is up. Cold, a bit warmer. It's because of the sun. So this is it, guys. So we'll see if we can actually walk around the lake, guys. So you see how wide the lake is. You can walk there, and back here. Guys, Paris is enjoying. Ducky ducky. Wow. Hi. Wave hi to the ducks now. Hi. Hi, ducks. Hi, ducks. Hi, sugar. There's so many people here today, guys.
Look.
But no work
today.
Oh, did you give the potatoes? Did you give the sweet potato to the duck?
Ala, no feeding. Mangguro diriti.
Good girl, Baba.
Kannst du mich anrufen, wenn es uns betrifft? Aber sonst nicht. Ja.
Tagsag word.
She's not looking for the sweet potato.
Nag-iisa na sad.
That's it. That's it. No more. No more.
Dito, oh. Picture ko dito, be. Dito.
Come on, let's go play to the park. Your friends might be here now. Come on.
Baby girl, no more potato fries.
What's wrong?
Eh, that's for us. That's not for the dog.
She found the park. This is a really cool place here, guys. Very nice. I'll take you a photo then. Mako, pwede ka na yan mo. Unya na makabot ng kuya kay. Mabantay kang kulongkoy. Ooh. Paris would love that. Oh, they're coming. Ah, gawaan na. Hala.
Kenapa mendadak ada yang belum jalan? Thank you for Tita. Give more to Tita. Oh,
Good girl.
dami lang yun yung potato. Tamis.
Ito nga sige sugar. Oh my gosh, she's been waiting for her turn.
Hold, baby girl, hold.
So guys, when we finish our chips guys, so we didn't even use this sauce. Tartar sauce.
Hindi mo mag-lemon challenge ka ba?
Ikaw na, Mac. Lemon challenge, ba?
Wala yung nag-inom na na eh?
Wala eh.
No, kuam?
No. No reaction. Wala reaction na, katawa. Gamay, mura na mag-kuan ipiga ba sa iyong baba. Lemon challenge guys. Wala, isa naman na 1 second naman to.
Ikaw, Bi. Aman to.
Daddy, careful ha. Yeah. Ang kaya yung isa mako? Daddy, careful ba? Kasi it might... Yabo, it might...
Buwawan, ay nayabo dito. Nayabo dito. Ay, naku. Daas kayang nayabo.
Antay na, mo dito guys ha. Mukuya sa lapay, lubot.
Yan, ako.
Te! Te!
Take your jacket off.
Matrix ba ka? No holding. No holding tricks. Wala, mesti pa kadayo lang ba ako ng kamera. Yay! Finish na?
Ako sa TV. Ako TV.
Bete?
Nag-ready po ko. Amin akong kusog. Amin akong kusog kang spin. Siya. Hindi, English.
Ano mo nagkusog-kusog na ni?
Butang isa ko an. Sige na.
Wow!
Wala, lingawan niya ay. Lingaw kayong gulang.
Wow!
Uy!
Kawatan na ni pare. So that's Melbourne City, guys. We were there before and we were just trying to walk around the lake. We'll see if we can make it because we didn't take the pram with us. So we have to carry Paris. We'll take turns.
Napili kanila guys. Abig asa. Huy, Mac, mata. Apil ka kataga ka na, Mac. So, anak, oh. Baby. May dalawang baby. Nano. Mac, mayang mali, Mac. Wawan.
hi guys, we are actually home now. We didn't walk around the lake, guys, because all that Paris wanted to do was to jump into the water. So we just took her home. Yes. And you're eating your strawberry. Good girl, honey. So yeah, guys, we're just going to stay at home now.
Mama.
Yes, baby.
Baby.
Baby, that's you. So we're just gonna stay home now, guys, and prepare for dinner. And yeah, that's about it. So I hope that you like this video, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you do like it, and please hit the subscribe button as well, because we'd like you to be a part of this family. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good. If you can, be careful. Bye.